how to highlight text in Canva. So first, for example, this is the text that I want to highlight. So what you want to do is just click on it like that, and just click on effects and look for a background here. Click on it, and as you can see, now it's highlighted in yellow. So for example, I want to reduce the color. Just click on the transparency. As you can see, now it's getting reduced. If you want to up the roundness, just slide this, or just you want to make it 0, slide it here. So if you want to add a spread like that, just slide it however you want. Then let's say I want to add the spread as thin like this. Okay, now if you want to change the color of the highlight, just click on this one. Then let's say I want to highlight it in sky blue. Okay, now as you can see, and we're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.